Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to insert a checkbox in Word. Friends, if you want to insert clickable checkbox in Word document, then first you need to add developer tab to your Word. For that you need to click on this small arrow. Now here you need to click on more commands. Now here you need to click on customize ribbon. In customize ribbon you need to select main tabs. In main tabs you will find developer. If it is unchecked, then select it. Now after selecting developer tab, click on OK. Now a developer tab is added to your Word software. Now to insert checkbox, you need to click on this developer tab. Now here you need to click on this checkbox icon. Now a checkbox will appear on your document. So if you click on this checkbox, it will show cross. If you want it to show tick mark sign, then you need to select it and click on properties, and in properties you will find checked symbol. You need to click on change. Here you need to select wingdings. Under wingdings you will find tick option, so you need to select it and click on OK and click on OK again. Now whenever you select this box, it will show tick mark sign. For the remaining list you can simply copy paste this checkbox. To copy you need to click on these three dots and press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now go to the next line and press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Repeat the same process. So friends, like this you can very easily insert a clickable checkbox in your Word document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.